Hi, this is nice math problem 2 to the power n plus 2 to the power m equal 40, and we have to find the value of m plus n equal what? So let's start. Solution. The given equation is 2 to the power n plus 2 to the power m equal 40. Here this 2 to the power n plus 2 to the power this m equal, we can write this 40 as 8 times 5. Here 2 to the power n plus this 2 to the power m equal, we can write this 8 as 2 cube times, we can write this 5 as 4 plus 1. Here this 2 to the power n plus this 2 to the power m equal this 2 cube. We can write this 4 as 2 square plus we can write this 1 as 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 is equal 1. Here this 2 to the power n plus this 2 to the power m equal, here 2 cube times this 2 square plus this 2 cube times this 2 to the power 0. We know a to the power m times a to the power n equal a to the power m plus n. Here 2 to the power n plus 2 to the power m equal. Now we will apply this formula. Here a to the power m times a to the power n is equal a to the power m plus n. Therefore we can write this 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 2 as 2 to the power 3 plus 2, this plus 2 to the power this 3 plus this 0. Here this 2 to the power n plus this 2 to the power m equal, here 2 to the power 3 plus 2 equal 5 plus this 2 to the power 3 plus 0 equal 3. Therefore here 2 to the power n equal this 2 to the power 5 and this 2 to the power m equal this 2 to the power 3. Here both sides base are equal, so both sides power is also equal. Therefore we can write n equal this 5. Similarly this m equal this 3. Therefore m plus n equal, the value of m equal 3 plus value of n equal 5 equal 3 plus 5 equal 8. Therefore m plus n equal 8. This is our final value. Now I will verify to check this value is correct or not. So let's verify. Our main equation is 2 to the power n plus 2 to the power m equal 40. Here the value of m equal 3 and n equal 5. Now we will substitute these two values in this equation. Here 2 to the power n equal 5, so you can write here 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power m equal 3 equal 40. 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32 plus 2 cube equal 8 equal this 40. 32 plus 8 gives us 40. Here right side 40. Here left hand side equal right hand side. Therefore our result m plus n equal 8 is correct. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.